At the University of Southampton, we have several design workshops, and this is just one of them. Students can come in here to complete different parts of their projects. They can use laser cutters to laser cut wood or plastic. They can also use a thermoformer to create moulds for their designs. For example, this mould was used in wind tunnel testing. In here we have our larger machines, such as pillar drills and bandsaws, and even a CNC router. As we move through the workshop, we go into the desk space where students are able to use hand tools. Each desk comes equipped with a set of drawers which contains all the hand tools they should require. As well as this, they're able to use 3D printers or fused deposition modelling machines. These are the smaller desktop-based machines that students can use in dedicated workshop sessions. At the end of the lab, we have larger desktop-based machines where students can submit their jobs online to have their parts printed for them. As well as aesthetic pieces, structural parts can be printed. For example, these nozzles are used by the Aeroacoustics group to test different nozzle designs. FDM works by depositing molten layers of plastic onto the bed and onto previous layers of plastic and fusing them together to create your part. Layer height and resolution can vary between 30 and 300 microns, depending on the product you require. This is a model of our Hartley library, which is going to be 3D printed.